Welcome to London, one of the most iconic cities on Earth. Whether you're planning a visit or just love travel adventures, London has something for everyone. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 attractions that you absolutely cannot miss in London. Make sure to watch until the end. I'll reveal my personal top 3. Let's go! Starting strong at number 10, Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the King. This is where pageantry meets power. Don't miss the changing of the guard, which happens around 11 a.m. Is it completely free, and it's like stepping into a living postcard. Coming in at number 9, the London Eye. This giant Ferris wheel offers unbeatable 360-degree views of the city skyline. A ride takes about 30 minutes and costs around £30 or $38 USD. The views of Big Ben, the Thames, and St. Paul's are worth every penny. Next, number 8, the legendary Big Ben. Did you know Big Ben is actually the name of the bell inside the Elizabeth Tower? Whether you're admiring it from Westminster Bridge or snapping pics at sunset, it's one of the most photographed spots in the world. At number 7, we've got the Tower Bridge, often confused with London Bridge. You can walk across the glass floor or visit the engine rooms inside for a small fee. It's one of London's most beautiful architectural gems, especially when lit up at night. Number 6, hop on a classic red double-decker bus. For just a couple of pounds, or included with your Oyster card, you'll see London like a local. Try bus route number 11, which passes tons of landmarks like Westminster, Trafalgar Square, and more. At number 5 is Westminster Abbey, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the coronation church of British monarchs for over 1,000 years. It's where royal weddings, funerals, and history come alive. Entry is around £27, about $34 USD, and worth it. Number 4 is Hyde Park, London's most famous green space. Rent a paddle boat, have a picnic by the Serpentine, or check out Speaker's Corner, where free speech reigns. Bonus, it's free, peaceful, and pure British charm. At number 3, Trafalgar Square. With its iconic lion statues, towering Nelson's column, and buzzing energy, this is the Times Square of London, but with a rich historical twist. Great for people watching, public events, and stunning photos. Number 2 is something you ride, not just visit. The London Underground, aka the Tube. It's the oldest subway system in the world, and an experience in itself. Swipe your Oyster card, hop aboard, and explore London quickly and affordably. And finally, number 1, the Shard, London's tallest building. Head up to the view from the Shard for jaw-dropping panoramas. Or better yet, dine at Aquashard or Obelix for the views and the food. Entry starts around £28, $36 USD, and it's unforgettable. My top 3 favorites. Hyde Park, because every city trip needs a chill spot. Tower Bridge for the epic views. The Shard for sky-high sunsets. Which one are you most excited to see? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic travel guides around the world.